am going to pick a winner for the Knit Crate Yarn giveaway, and if you'd like to become a member, it's $24.99. It's valued at $63. You get 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet of patterns every month. If you sign up under me, you can put in the promo code JEWEL20. You get 20% off your first month. If you're not interested in signing up, I understand. Just look out for my giveaways. I usually give away Knit Crate at least once a month, and if you are a winner, I'm about to pick the winner. You please contact me down below with my email with your contact information so I can mail it out to you. All links for the Knit Crate are listed down below in the description. So let's see who the winner is. Okay, congratulations, Dottie Burton. That is some pretty yarn. Love the blue. It looks wonderful. I think I would make a scarf out of it. Congratulations, Dottie. Please contact me. If you can't contact me within a couple of weeks, I'll have to pick a new winner. Also, thank you everybody for participating and subscribing, and look out for I'm trying to do weekly videos of crocheting at least once, and then giveaways once or twice, at least once a week, but sometimes it just depends. And then our arts or craft type of activity. All right, so please look out for those videos and be a subscriber.